I'm Amanda with suretyDIY, and if you're wondering what to do with your 2 gig compatible shock sensor window contact, Laura's going to show you how to add it in.
Hi, I'm Laura, and this is a 2 gig compatible combined shock sensor and window contact. Let's learn how to learn it in. Okay, start down at your home screen. To get there, hit the button to the right, and you will hit the icon in the right lower hand part of the screen. It'll ask you to enter in your installer code. If you ordered from SuretyCam, your installer code will be on the back of your manual. Now, in your toolbox, hit System Configuration. Now to learn this in, you're going to have to learn it in twice. The reason being it has 2 separate functions, the shock sensor and the window contact. We're going to start out with window contact. So go to the right until you have an empty sensor. There we go. And you'll go down, and the sensor type is perimeter for the window. Go down again, equipment code, thin door window contact. And now it's asking for the serial number, so you'll have to learn it in. You do this by hitting Shift and Learn. And you pick up your window contact, and you rub the magnet up against the 3 lines on the side. You verify that the code that popped up is the same code as the tax ID on the back, which it is, and hit OK. Go down again. The equipment is new. Loop number. Now make sure the loop number 2 is connected with the window contact. Delay dialer, we like to disable this. That's your preference. And voice descriptor. It's going to be window 1. Reports enabled. Supervised enabled. And chime, we like to do ours as voice only. And then you'll go to Edit Next. Now you're going to learn the same thing in again, only this time as a shock sensor. So go down. Sensor type is still perimeter. Down again. And equipment code, thin door window contact. Down again. Now to learn this in this time, you can't learn in the same item twice, so you'll have to manually enter this one in. So pick up the window contact and manually enter in the tax ID number. Hit down, equipment new, and it'll automatically default this time to loop number 1, which is what you want the shock sensor to be. Delay dialer, again we disable that. Voice descriptor, this time I would do window 1. Afterward, this one I would put glass break. So window 1, glass break. All right. Reports enabled. Supervised enabled. Chime, voice only. And edit next. Now we need to do a test and make sure you learned it in properly. So it's going to be 2 separate tests to make sure this item's working okay. First one is testing the window contact. So you'll have the magnet next to the window contact. You'll line it up next to the 3 lines on the side, pull apart, and you heard it say window 1, so you know it's working. Now to test the shock sensor, hold the shock sensor up against a piece of glass and take something like a screwdriver, the end of it, and just hit the glass right next to it.